Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Zoe Dianne, and today we're going to be doing a small unboxing before we get into the look. I got these brushes for Christmas and they're from Zoe Ayla, or by Zoe Ayla. This is a professional 7-piece makeup brush set. It comes with a precision flat angle brush, a soft concealer brush, diffuse crease, dome utility smudge brush, a firm shader brush, and a flat kabuki brush. But yeah, it comes in this little cute box or whatever. I don't know if y'all can see that, but I'm just gonna... Ooh. These look like they're very high quality brushes. Like, I can tell already. Oh, and they're so soft. I like these. And it has like the little name on it too, which I think is so adorable. And you know, my name is Zoe, so just, you know, I'm doing a little eye shouldn't be like, oh, that's fine. I mean, it's not really my name, but kind of. Anyway, so I guess is this the smudge brush or the small concealer brush? This might be the small concealer. I don't know. Y'all know how I am about brushes. I'm gonna use what I want when I want, so it doesn't really matter to me. But these are like all very soft, high quality. Like, I can already tell they're not gonna shed. Yes, I love this one. I'm probably gonna use this like for under my eyes and stuff like that, but this is very soft. Just love the way that feels. This is how I test my brushes as well. Like, I always test them on the way they feel, you know? I like this one too. These are all very nice. And this is the flat kabuki. Ooh, I can use this for like wiping away powder. This is very nice, soft as well. So already I like these, and I'm gonna be using these to do my eyeshadow as well. So, and then the last thing is this Sigma P80 Precision Flat. It says on the back it's a small dense concealer application brush. So this is probably just used for like little problem spots and stuff like that. Let's see. Ooh, the packaging is cute. Love that. Oh, this is nice. Oh, I like this a lot. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna be using this for liquid concealer on my little love spots on my forehead, you know, my circles and stuff like that. So this is a bop for that. I'm definitely gonna be tapping into that brush as well. So that was my small unboxing portion. And then we're gonna hop into the look. Okay, so my eyebrows are set and ready to go. I did these off camera. We're just gonna hop right into my eyeshadow. So I'm gonna start off by priming my lids with this Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in the shade Eden, and it comes in a cute little tube like this. So what I like to do is just take the applicator and swipe it on my lids. And to buff this out, I'm just using my brand new Sigma Precision Flat Brush in P80. And I'm just using this, and I can already tell I'm absolutely in love with this brush. It doesn't pick up the product too much, and it blends it just the right amount, especially for a nice even coverage. It just gently pats it and packs it on without just picking up all of the product. You see that? My eyelid is nice and covered. I'm probably gonna add another small layer, but this is fire. Sigma did their thing. Yeah, this is fire. Okay, so I'm just gonna add another small layer right on top of that to really get that clean base. I know I look a little wild right now. I don't know how this looks on the camera, but I know how it looks in my mirror. Looking like a ghost. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is the look. So this is the final look. No, let me stop. Oh my God, imagine. No, this is really how I did my eyeshadow when I was like 6th grade. This is how I would do my eyeshadow. But except all of this would just be glitter. I was looking horrifying. Okay. Base. Done. Okay. So now we're gonna move on to the actual eyeshadow. And I'm gonna start off by using my Anastasia Subculture palette. It looks like this. I've had this for a grip. I really like the colors though. I think they're very earth tone friendly. Very cute. I'm gonna start with the color Axis. It's kind of like a bluish green. That one right there. It's a little mixture between blue and green. It's on the darker side, and I think this is just gonna create a little depth in my crease. I'm just gonna take this on one of the Zoe Ayla brushes. And I love the pigment on this so much. It's so pretty. And I'm just gonna do the same thing to the other eye. Look a little crazy right now, but it's okay, because we're gonna work it out. And now, to blend out the edges of that, I'm just gonna go in with my NYX Ultimate palette. So for my NYX Ultimate palette, I'm just gonna use this little green shade right here, and I'm just gonna blend out the edges of that shadow. I'm just gonna go in with the other Zoe Ayla brush, and it's just like a small buffing brush. And I'm just gonna take some of that, just like that. Something like that. Just really try and blend those together. No. I'm just gonna take a little bit of the yellow from the NYX Ultimate as well. And I'm just gonna take this small MAC buffing brush. Just blend it out even more. I'm looking a little reckless right now, but it's okay, y'all. It's truly all right. Y'all know I love Ariana. Don't do me. If y'all don't know that song, go look it up. It's called 6:30 by Ariana Grande. So, after we're done with the transitioning and blending the shadows, we are going to cut our crease once more. And I'm just gonna go back in with this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion and cut this John. So I'm gonna use this Morphe flat brush to just cut my crease once more. Just gonna take a little bit of the product like that and just wha-bam, you know. Just cut shorty, make sure she's nice and sharp. Are you down with some? Are you down with some? Are you down? If I could sing, broski, when I tell you, y'all would not be able to shut me up. I'll be singing everything. I'll be at Domino's. They be like, what do you want? I'd be like, I want a small pizza. Yes, I would be singing literally everything. They'd be like, girl, get out of here, you're in town. I'd be like, I don't care. Like, yeah. Yup, that way. And my sister over here laughing because she know I really would. So now that that's done, I'm going to go back into my Subculture palette, and I'm going to be using this very pretty shimmery shade, Electric. So I'm going to be using this Morphe buffing brush, and I'm just going to take the shade Electric, this shade right here, and just pack shorty on. If I have to pack this on for the next 5 hours, we are going to get the pigment desired. Period. Electric. Electricity. Electricity. Where's my Schoolhouse Rock? If you don't know Schoolhouse Rock, what was your childhood? Schoolhouse Rock. Literally, school didn't teach me anything. Schoolhouse Rock taught me everything. Like, parents send you to school because they have to go to work. Like, Schoolhouse Rock was really the OG triple OG. I'm gonna take this, again, the Zoe Ayla small buffing brush in the shade Axis. And I'm just gonna apply it like that, you know? And I'm just gonna take this Zoe Ayla buffing brush again. I'm just gonna blend this out with the green from the NYX Ultimate once more. Kind of like that, you know? I'm so crazy. And I'm gonna take the yellow from the NYX Ultimate as well and just blend that out even further. So right now I'm just taking the color that I used in my crease and just packing it on the ends of my eye just to create a more wholesome look, you know, just taking a blending brush and buffing that out, and it adds a little bit more depth and dimension. Yeah, I'm tough. Yeah, y'all see that? Yeah. Let me stop, chill, all right? But kind of make her cute a little bit. At this point, the tutorial is done, y'all. I'm just making her look cute. I'm just making it look cute. Always gotta make it look cute. Okay, so we're gonna do what we did to this eye to the other eye. Okay, so now that the eyeshadow is applied, I'm going to be moving on to liner. Okay, so for liner, I'm just gonna be lining the inside of my eyelids, and I'm just using this waterproof black eyeliner. It's just a regular eyeliner pen. I got this from the beauty supply store. All right, and then I'm going to move on to liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna be using this Too Faced Better Than Sex, and I'm just gonna make, I think I'm gonna do not a wing. I think I'm gonna stop it like right here. I don't know, we'll see. We'll see how it turns out, but. All right, and after liquid liner, we are going to move on to lashes. I'm just gonna apply the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the final look. I mean, bam, bam, wham, bam, thank you, ma'am. Yeah, this is it. It's a very cute, like, green cut crease. It's giving me very much New York Grinch kind of finds his glam while also searching for his heart during Christmas. I don't know what it's giving me. It's giving me very much Fancy Leprechaun vibes, and I'm here for it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, any other looks you want to see. Please share this video with anyone and everyone, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will be coming out with another video very, very soon. And yeah, baby, that's it. That's all. I will see y'all in my next video. So I'm gonna start off by priming my I'm gonna start off by priming my lids.